Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your radio station based on your location with the Sonos Era 300. So all we have to do is just to switch to this icon, and right now we've got the option to browse the radio. So we have to select the location. Right now, let's say that I'm, for example, in the Europe, and I'm gonna pick, for example, Poland. And let's go right here. Let's pick our city. And I would like to play, for example, this one, radio RMF 24. Okay, so
żeby ustabilizować.
So as you can hear right now, we are on this radio station located in Poland, Krakow. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.